Here I am at a roadside vendor, popular food in the Philippines. You buy at the roadside. Here I am, I'm trying a coconut-filled pastry. And that is the dipping sauce. It's like a garlic dipping sauce. Some of the best food you can buy here in the Philippines is served at a roadside stand. They even sell fruits and vegetables. There you have grapes. Hello, how are you? This is awesome. They fry it fresh right here at the roadside. I think it only costs like 10 pesos. And for those that don't know the conversion, it's about 57 pesos to the dollar. So this pastry probably costs 10 cents here in the Philippines. I'll bring you more roadside content and show you some of the favorite delicacies here in the Philippines. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for more, friends. Here's another roadside vendor. You can see they are selling green grapes, watermelon, red grapes, oranges. I believe that's durian, peanuts, banana, apples. They have many different varieties of bananas here in the Philippines. And if you notice, these bananas are very, very small compared to what you see in America. They also sell fried chicken. And there's the fryer right there. What's inside these pouches? Rice? Rice inside those pouches there. And this is very typical of what you see here in the Philippines, are these roadside stands. And the food is fresh, food is very good. You even have, here's another vendor right here. You have chicken rotisserie. That's rotisserie chicken. That looks like bacon or pork belly. That's rotisserie chicken. Thank you. They even have eat-in cafes along the roadside here as well. You can see people dining. It is lunchtime. You can see people inside dining. Right there. What you see in front of you is Jollibee. That is the Philippines' most favorite restaurant. All the Filipinos love Jollibee. You will see that Jollibee is busy most of the time in the Philippines. It is a fast food chain. I believe they have Jollibee in America as well. But here in the Philippines, they sell a lot of fried chicken and pasta dishes. The Filipinos love fried chicken and pasta at Jollibee. And that is your Jollibee mascot. It's like Ronald McDonald. It has a look and feel of McDonald's, I'll tell you that. Your favorite fast food restaurant in the Philippines, probably your favorite restaurant overall in the Philippines. This is a very poor country. People cannot afford to eat out very often, but the few times they eat out, they go to Jollibee. As a side note, the Philippines' favorite mode of transportation is the jeepney, and I showed you several videos prior. This one here looks like an original jeepney. This is honoring the Cebu Lechon Festival 2024. And this jeepney looks to be modified. It has tables inside. They usually don't. These are the favorite mode of transportation. They come in all different colors and sizes. They just take some kind of vehicle and they modify it so they can fit a lot of people in the back. Originally started off using a Jeep chassis, but as you've seen in prior videos, not all of them are Jeep chassis. They take any type of vehicle and they modify the back end to fit 6 or 8 or 10 people. And the cost is relatively inexpensive depending on how far you go. 20, 30, or 40 pesos. Keep in mind the exchange rate is 57 pesos to the US dollar. So 40 pesos would be 70 cents or so.